Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Diego St. John coming to you live and direct and in full effect. And boy, have the stock market flipped to the downside way sooner than I expected. um, you look at the VIX. The VIX is on its way up. It could form a head and shoulders around here and then move down, which in that case the market will continue going back up. If the VIX go down, the market goes up, but if the VIX goes up, the market goes down. So I don't know what type of games the stock market is playing, or the regulators of the stock market, but they are not fair. This is the furthest from a fair free market I've ever seen in my life. Cryptocurrencies is about to turn to the downside too. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's not looking good. Like they just cut it off right there. They didn't let it go back into. Like they cut it off right here. Like it just literally just got cut off and then pushed to the downside. Does that look normal to you? It's just, look at that. That is insane. This is no way, shape, or form normal movements in this market. Impossible. This is impossible. Look at this. They're going to push it below $14. They're about to push AMC below $14. That is crazy. Now, we just looked at Bitcoin. How can Bitcoin and AMC have the same freaking chart? How can the same thing happen? You know, how? So, just like I told you guys, you got to be very, very careful in this market because everything could possibly crash back to 2020 levels. Everything pre-pandemic, before all these stimulus and everything pumped up the market, everything go back then. And if you think about it, I'll use Ideanomics for an example. So, go to the 1-year chart, and then I'll move out further. And then we'll go to the crash of March 2020. So this was that big crash right here. It fell down to 40 cents. I'm sorry, 29 cents. And then it went to 32 cents before taking off. And then coming out. So you see what they do? How they let it pump for a second, and then bam, just crash it. Bam, crash it, pump up, bam, crash it, pump up, bam. And like the pumps go from, when was this? 11:26. So it's like a day of oh my goodness. So I'll go down to the base. So I'll just have this one. So that's 11:03 to 11:24. Or you can say 11:10 to the 24th. Right? See how they pump it? So I'm saying like things will pump for like a week, maybe two, and then boom, it'll turn back down and go the other way. So, and if they crash it down to, what is it, 24 cents last time, and it's still at 98 cents, guys, that means, yeah, bill collector, we got a problem. We got a problem. Be careful, guys. Now we're almost down here at this right here. We go below 81 cents. Look out. So, and they're doing it all, so it would be like the same thing. So what did they crashed AMC? It was down to like $5, something like that. Let's see, we gotta go. Yeah, so AMC back then was $1.85. High point was like 6 something. So go on to the crash. So the crash brought it, yeah. No, that's not it. Sorry. What the deuce? WEBULL, let me go back. Hello, what's the issue? Why can't I see the previous crash, you monkeys? Huh? You want me to pull up the 5-year chart? So here it is. $2. $2 is what they took AMC down to. Yep. 211. And we're at 16. Good God, that's a lot more that they could push this thing down to. So I'm just saying, just be very careful, guys, in this market. Watch the VIX. Watch the VIX very carefully and see what it's doing. Look at the 5-day chart on the VIX. Looks like that is not a higher high, but it could. Yo, if this passes $25, be scared. Be very scared of that market. So this is Diego St. John, just giving you a heads up. Things could get nasty. So just keep dollar and average in and do not buy green. Always buy red. Don't forget to brush your teeth, and that's the best. Green eye's gonna miss you. Mwah.